Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. Throwback Thursday night flight, y'all. And I got one of my classics out here, as you know it. And this one is a very, very rare quadcopter. This one is the XS-1.1, aka the dancing quadcopter. And this thing is very unique in that it has 3 speeds. The first speed is very nice for flying. It's a ideal speed for nice pitch and yaw, deep funnels and all. And the second speed is even better. It has a faster yaw, and then on the third speed it has an insane yaw. And this thing has very nice lights on it, bright LEDs, and so it looks really awesome when you're flying it at night and you have it on that high mode with the high speed yaw and all. It controls rather well for a quadcopter with a very high speed yaw. Usually if the yaw speed is too high, then you don't really have the ability to control it very well as far as light movements or light touches or being gentle with the sticks. Usually it's almost all or nothing with the banking and stuff, but you can actually bank this guy on its higher rates. And so really awesome quadcopter. It's late at night, so I don't want to stay out here running my mouth too long, so let's get this guy up in the air. Definitely this guy is not deviated. Flips really well too. Check it out. Awesome lights. It does have red in the rear though. I mean red in the front and green in the rear. It has it backwards. This is the first rate, y'all. So really nice yaw on the first rate. Check it out. Has pretty decent pitch too. Very ideal for nice sporty flying on the first rate. Extremely rare quadcopter. Does nice flips. Check it out. Oh!
Check it out. Oh!
And it dove right into the ground. I didn't think it was going to dive that deep when I was doing it. Trying to make it do a loop. Move right into the ground. So I'm taking it up a little higher for my loops now. Whoa! And it's acting really weird on the loops. Let's do some standstill flips. Check it out. So this thing usually flips really nice. I don't know what's up with the accelerometer. Maybe because I haven't flown it in a while. It usually does really nice loops. And moving forward. It's acting like the JJRC JJ1000 right now. Okay, so it's straightening out now. Oh, I spoke too soon. Well, let me show you guys the second rate. This is the second rate. So you can do really sporty flying with the second rate. But check out the yaw. So the yaw is even faster. You can do some really nice funnels. Let me bring it in closer. Check it out. And the wind is blowing it. Okay, so you guys saw how fast that yaw was. Let me transition from this yaw to the final, y'all. Check it out. So it's all a blur. Check it out. I like doing that while flying forward. Flying sideways here. Here we go. Check me out. Doing some banking. And when I start to yaw, I can't really control it because the wind is blowing. I don't know what happened to the transmitter. The transmitter is beeping. I think the batteries in my transmitter are dying because it's beeping like crazy. I never had the transmitter batteries die on me mid-flight like this. So this beeping is kind of weird. Do some speed passes with it. It's a fast flyer. And I didn't want to crash into those crates over there. That's what it looked like was going to happen. And it's pretty good at stopping once you let off the input of the yaw, making it do that fast yaw. Comes right out of the fast yaw spin, and the accelerometer keeps on going. Does a great job at not getting confused. I have seen accelerometers get confused. And it just landed on me. I think the battery might be done now. Oh, I was able to bring it back up, but it's landing again. Pushing it too much. I think this guy's done. Or maybe it's just flashing me. Oh yeah, it's flashing because it's done. But why is it? It's acting like it wanted to take off again. Okay. Yeah, it's done. So that's the XS-1.1 dancing quadcopter, pushed to its limits. Awesome flyer, Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching.